Topic 1. Uses of a and an. Hello children. Today I am going to explain you where we have to use a or an. Children, you know that 26 letters are there in English alphabet. Among these, 5 are vowel letters. Do you know what are they? They are A, E, I, O, U. Others are consonant letters. We use an before the word which begin with vowel letter. Example: EGG, egg. The first letter in egg is E. E is a vowel letter, so we use an before egg. Then we move to the next example. That word is orange. O is the first letter in orange. That is a vowel letter, so we use an before orange. Now we will see where we have to use a. We use a before the words which begin with a consonant letter. Children, see which are the consonant letter. They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. We use a before the words which begins with a consonant letter. Children, see the example. Which word is this? This is got. G-O-A-T, got. Which is the first letter in this word? G is the first letter in this word. G is a consonant letter, so we use a before got. A, got. Then moving to the next example. Mango. Which is the first letter in mango, children? M is the first letter in mango. M is a consonant letter, so we use a before mango. Hope you understood the topic. Now we will move to the reader, page number 6. First picture is a tin. T is a consonant letter. We use a before the tin. A tin. Then, what is this, children? This is an ink pot. See the first letter in ink pot? I is the first letter in ink pot. I is a vowel letter, so we use an before it. Here are some filling the blanks that I prepared for you. You have to write this in your English copy. Children, listen here. I am dictating for you. Fill in the blanks with a or an. See the first letter in each word. D-U-C-K, duck. Which is the first letter in duck? D is the first letter in duck. D is a consonant letter, so you have to write a before it. IRON, iron. Which is the first letter here? I. I is a vowel letter, so you have to write and before it. Next one is K-I-N-G, king. Which is the first letter here, children? K is the first letter and it is a consonant letter. So you have to write A before king. The next word is umbrella. U is the first letter here. It is a vowel letter. So you have to write and before it. Next one is brush. Before brush we have to use A because B is a consonant letter. A-X-E-X. A is a vowel letter, so you have to use and before X. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Which is the first letter here, children? S is the first letter here. It is a consonant letter, so you have to use A before it. Engine. E is a vowel letter, so you have to use and before engine. Now you have to practice from your English reader, page number 5 to 8. Children, now we come to the end of this topic.